Hello students, welcome to the Relative Days Dashboard section of the course. So in the previous chapter, we created this report and we used relative days to capture today's date, yesterday's date, last 7 days, current month, current quarter, current year, first day of current month, and so on and so forth. But now we are going to be creating this dashboard using the query that we created for this chapter. So when I click the three ellipses and I go over to the query, you see that we have all of these data points. Okay, so we are going to be using this same query and we are going to be creating this dashboard. This dashboard is showing the rolling 12 month relative to today's date. So my numbers are going to be different from your numbers because obviously you are probably taking the JEDI course sometime in June or July or even August, or it could be in 2020. So your numbers are definitely going to be different from mine because this is relative. Relative days is a concept which essentially means to be able to capture data points based on a date that you specify, based on a point in time. Because here I've specified for my rolling 12 to begin from May 2018 to April 2019. Even though today is May 19th, I'm using end of last month as my end point and beginning of May 2018 as my beginning point. Okay, on the right hand side, I have a cross tab with a micro chart and I'm showing the last 7 days. At the bottom, I have a month to date chart as well, and I'm showing the last 19 days, and these are sales metrics for our 4 sales people. Okay, so all of these concepts you have learned or you've seen them at some point in the course, and just like I told you in this chapter, we are using Cognos Analytics version 11.1 R2, which was released a few days ago. Essentially, Cognos has added a beautiful coat of paint to Cognos Analytics 11.1. So you are going to see that the interface is popping a little bit more. It's looking actually incredible. I love this new look. It feels so modern and it's so fun, so much fun to use. But essentially everything that you've learned is going to carry over. Cognos added some minor touches in terms of functionality, and we are going to review those as we continue to create more dashboards and reports. Okay, so you are in for a treat. Everything just looks more modern and it is a joy to develop in. Okay, so for us to begin, we are going to copy this query from the relative dates from this report. We are going to copy the query and we are going to be creating our dashboard. All right, so let's begin. You are going to click the plus button. You are going to go over to report, and this time we are going to go with the 2/1 themes, blue. Click OK. Let's connect to our data source.